Hey boys and girls, here we are. We have day 14 of our May Daily Math. Number 1 says, draw hands on the clock to show 9:37. So I'm going to use our clock here. And let's say I got 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. There you go. 9:37. So the hour hand, the short one, should be somewhere between the 9 and the 10. Okay? And the long minute hand, all the way that reaches all the way up to touch the minutes, should be right there touching 37. So somewhere between 7 and 8. Okay? All right. I'm just going to write 9:37 on there as a little helper. Number 2. And that one asks, how much total pig chow will the piglets eat in 3 days? So for 1 day, we had, if you remember, we had 18 and 20 is 38. Okay. So 38 ounces in 1 day. Now we have to do that times 3 for 3 days. So what is 3 times 8? 24. Good job. What is 3 times 3? Yep, 9. Don't forget your 2. 10, 11. So 114 ounces in 3 days. All right. Number 3 is asking us to make the smallest and largest numbers we can with the digits 3, 9, and 7. So the largest number we put on the top. So we want the largest number in the hundreds column, the next largest number in the tens, and the smallest number in the ones. And then we want to take the smallest number, so we're going to reverse these. 3 in the hundreds, 7 in the tens, and a 9 in the ones. And then it is asking us to subtract those. More on the floor, borrow from next door. 13 minus 9 is 4. More on the floor, we got to borrow from next door. 16 minus 7 is also 9. And 8 minus 3, more on top, no need to stop. 594. Okay, number 4. Here we have Farmer Tom has 2 bags of goat food. How much more does bag 2 weigh than bag 1? Well, bag 2 weighs 927 grams. Bag 1 weighs 455 grams. Now, in the question, it says how much more does bag 2 weigh? So we're comparing them. And in this case, we take the larger one and we subtract the smaller one, and that will be our difference. Again, the key there is how much more, okay? So there's more on the floor. Nope. More on top. No need to stop. 7 minus 5 is 2. More on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So, bag 2 weighs 472 grams more than bag 1. All right, number 5. It says 3 hay bales weigh 210 pounds. That is 150 pounds more than a big bag of pig chow. How much does a bag of pig chow weigh? So it's very similar to number 4, except we're comparing the 3 hay bales, which weigh 210 pounds, versus the 150 pounds more than the bag of pig chow. So we kind of get the difference, but we don't know what bag 1 is in this case, if you kind of want to think of it like that, if you're looking at number 4. So the hay bales weigh 210 pounds, okay? And that's 150 pounds more than the bag of pig chow, okay? So we're going to take away that 150 pounds, the difference of 150 pounds, and that will be whatever is left over will be the amount of the pig chow. Numbers the same, zero's the game. More on the floor. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, so there we don't have to do that. 60 pounds. All right, there we are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boys, girls, have a great day.